Let's just say if I had to only survive on hunting, I wouldn't have anything. I would die in a week. Today is opening day, and we're making just now getting some stuff sighted in.
That's my face.
First shot down, and it looks pretty dang good.
So we just seen a turkey in a field adjacent to where we just parked. So we're gonna try to sneak along the tree line here and get over there.
It looked like a hen.
It might be a hen, but we're gonna go out that way and see what we can get. So we seen a turkey in a field over by where we parked. It turned out to be a hen that didn't come into the calls. So we walked to the other side of the property now. We're set up in some woods near where they roost. So we got about an hour and a half left of shooting time. So hopefully we catch them on the way back into the roost area. We should have ate before we came out here. The neighbors are barbecuing and it's making my freaking mouth water. We need to get a turkey so we can go get food.
You can turn it off now.
So we finally got out for a morning hunt for Sydney, and we got a bird hung up on the other side of this field. This field's in the shape of a big horseshoe. And unfortunately we can't move closer because there's some deer in between us and the field. And we don't want to spook them and blow everything.
Just hold Right there, that was a perfect shot. Yeah. Fuck yeah.
How do you feel?
Oh,
How's your adrenaline
I'm
going?
so excited.
How's your adrenaline going?
That was a perfect shot.
That was.
That was 3 days. 3 days. On the third day.
This is your third year, though.
It is.
Yeah.
It's my third year. Yeah.
Oh
my god, finally. I was afraid I was gonna jerk when I shot for some reason. So I like just had to remember, squeeze.
Yeah. Oh my god, Sid, I didn't have it on record.
You liar.
I didn't have it
You
on
liar.
I didn't. I'm just kidding.
I was gonna. Yes.
And it's all on
Let's go,
video.
let's go. I guess birds do, when they're shot in the head, go for a while.
Yeah, I mean, sure.
Well, you cut a chicken or a turkey's head off, it'll still go.
Squeeze it.
Gotta go.
And you're making fun of my turkey yelps.
I was.
You're like, they sound horrible.
Thanks for helping me out, though. Let's just say, if I had to only survive on hunting, I wouldn't have anything. I would die in a week.
The good thing is hunters and gatherers. Go find some berries.
I can't even gather morels.
Go find some berries. It would be poison berries.
The one poisonous one in the region.
Yeah. Look, I finally got an animal. It's a rattlesnake.
I'm so excited. God. Is it dead?
Is it dead? I hope so.
Like, is it completely dead? Not very good at this interview stuff, but I thought it just peed on me. I thought there was stuff in the bladder and it just came out on me. Oh my god.
It's a good interview.
Well, this is our third day at this property in Wheatfield, and we were about to give up. I had my coffee in there. We were falling asleep. We were about to call it a day just so that I could come out tomorrow morning, because the past couple evenings we've had just weren't that great. There's a storm about to come in right now, actually. We're sitting in this log cabin thing. I'll show you a video of it in a second. It's been here for years and years, homemade. There's a beaver, no, not a beaver.
Groundhog.
There's a groundhog trapped in there that if you just so happen to step the wrong way, you're fucked. I'll bleep that out. Turkey just started coming out over here. Well, we heard the gobble first. So it started coming its way around here and then in the corner we thought, oh man, it might go in the woods, it might come back out. I don't even know what's going to happen with our decoys. I wasn't sure if we even noticed them at the time. So it started coming back up this way. I seen through a little crack between the logs in there. I seen it start coming this way. And Steve's in the background going, well, do you see it? Where is it? Where is it? Is your safety on? All this stuff, and I just kept it. I was all like, stop, stop. Just hold your horses. And so this thing just starts coming up this way toward the decoys. It wasn't very aggressive or anything yet, anyway, but it started coming up here. It started walking around the fence, heading around, and then right when it got past the pen is when I took my shot right between, because it was about to attack the Tom possum.
It's a Jake.
I let him have it.
Let him have it.
But I am very, very grateful to have this bird. It's my first one ever, so I'm normally a deer hunter. I've been turkey hunting for 3 years now, and I finally got one. So, yeah. Thank you, Steve, so much for helping me. Thank you so much, babe.
Couldn't ask for a better hunt, better people.
I'm a good people.
I guess I like you. I mean, I'm dating you, aren't I?